Okay, hi guys. So this is Professor So today's video is all about this M41S Iron Wolf. So makagulat okay. So get it while it's hot. So 2,400 e-coins ito siya. Pero pwede mo siya mabili ng 1,440. Pero ang kagulat lang kasi bakit 2,400 siya kung ang original price niya. Tapos kung ma-discount siya ngayong araw, 1,440. So, what is ito? Bakit mababa? 100 XP boost lang lagi. Bakit? So, although okay man ang kanyang emergency attack, blah, 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 still the same. May add, yan, pistol sa baba. Pero bakit? Yan. Bakit ito? Ano ito, game club? Bakit yan? Dapat kung pwede 200. Alam ko na nakalagay siya sa Nobel, pero why? So yun lang ating video for today. So if you have any questions or suggestions or any opinion, please write it down on my video description. So thank you for watching and please subscribe na rin as well para maka-giveaway na rin ako ng VIP. Okay, thank you.